If you want to print multiple emails at once in Gmail, there is no direct print option for selected emails, but there is a simple workaround. First, open Gmail and select all the emails that you want to print. Now click on the three dots menu at the top. Instead of looking for a print option, choose Forward as Attachment. Now send those emails to your own email address. You can keep the subject anything you want. Once you send it, all the selected emails will be combined into a single email as attachments. Now open that email you just sent to yourself and click on Print All. You will see all the emails in one place, and you can easily print them together in a single go. This is a simple Gmail trick to manage and print multiple emails quickly without opening each one individually. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Gmail tips and tricks.